morning, everyone. Welcome to the. I just got confused, but welcome today for the oracle reading for the day, message for the day, July 7th. So, let's begin. I'm going to tune into these lovely cards. It's an Archangel Michael oracle deck, and I'm going to ask Archangel Michael, what is the message for today from the universe via the oracle cards? What is it that we need to know for today? And once again, it's funny and it's quite interesting to what just happened with me right now. The card from Archangel Michael is sense of humor. Isn't this amazing? I fumbled and I started laughing. And that's exactly what Archangel Michael is saying. Bring in your sense of humor. And the prayer that Archangel Michael is asking us to give today is, thank you for helping me see the humor in this situation so I can lovingly laugh at human nature. I'm willing to view my experience in a new light in order to attract love and healing energy. I quite agree, we a lot of times say love and light. One way to look at light is the energy, the divine light that pours through us. The second way to look at light is to become light-hearted about situations. Things do happen with us in time, and a lot of times we get really tough on ourselves. I'm not supposed to say this way, I'm not supposed to behave this way. But it's happened. So can you just let it go and be light-hearted about it? Can you add a little more humor to your life? So for today, Archangel Michael is saying, sit back, go through a lot of situations. In fact, the entire day, if something happens, do try and add a lot of humor. And believe me, there is a bigger joke from the universe that I call it as a cosmic joke. So we plan something and something else happens. Of course, in the long run, it's always a divine thing and the right thing that's supposed to happen. However, add humor today, be light-hearted, and let Archangel Michael help you with all of that. Cut all the heaviness from you and bring in light-heartedness. Hi everyone who is joining. It's so nice to see all of you, from Vilta Auntie to Chavi, Sudha, Flavia, Tikuli. Hi everyone. I am done for the reading for now. Lots and lots of love and light to you also, Tikuli. That's the message. Light-hearted, be human, allow your humor to come in, and accept that we all will have flaws. In fact, for people who've joined in later, when I put this on IGTV, you will see that when I started, I fumbled a bit and I started laughing, quite in connection with what the card has come for today. So, this is your oracle reading for the day. Have a sense of humor, make prayer to be light-hearted. This is Shilpa M. Menon signing off, 7 July. Goodbye everybody. Thank you for coming in.